Hi everyone and welcome to this week's Cyber Risk Engineering. This week we're going to be defining Layer 8 hacking. How does it relate to the OSI model and what does it have to do with the NIST triangle? Most of us had to endure learning of the Open System Interconnection or OSI model. 7 layers of communication starting from layer 1, the physical layer, all the way up to layer 7, the application layer, and everything that lies in between in terms of transport, network, etc. So why is this of interest to hackers? Because it can conceptually compartmentalize what you're trying to target. Are you trying to take over a physical connection, or are you trying to hack the application that the user is accessing? The 7 layers of the OSI model thus describe in a very neat way how you can compartmentalize an attack when it comes to trying to eavesdrop or otherwise take over the communication traffic between 2 or more users on a specific network. So what can lie above these 7 technical layers? The National Institute of Standards and Technology, through special publication 8039, developed the NIST triangle, we call it, which is basically 3 layers describing what happens beyond the technical domain within an organization. You have the layer of the information system, so then above that you have the business processes, mission or business processes, it's referred to within the standard, and then finally the organization itself at the top. Now, it makes sense to me to put these 3 layers describing the organization and the interaction within the organization above the 7 layers of the OSI model. Thus, fuse the 2 together. You get 10 layers in total. Thus, we can define Layer 8 hacking as hacking above and beyond the technical layers, either targeting the user or the information systems in question, targeting the business processes of the organization, or targeting the organization itself. You've got a plethora of ways to basically try to manipulate things within an organization. Think of social engineering for Layer 8. That's a classic way whereby you have a way to hack the organization on the non-technical domain. Think of manipulating business processes when it comes to producing a false positive result. So nothing to do with the information systems, that would be Layer 9. Or finally, think of what you could do in the board if you're part of the organization and you're malicious towards that entity. So that's Layer 8 and above, and the term Layer 8 hacking. Thank you for watching.